All right, GM everyone. At this point, even if not too hard, I believe Bitcoin will buy today, considering the fact that is Wednesday, and for a while now, Bitcoin have been reacting on this support zone. Okay, guys. All right, GM everyone, champions of the world. Welcome to Trade with Bongret Bitcoin daily analysis, and today we'll be looking at what we are seeing on BTC. Looking at BTC reaction, you see yesterday again BTC closed with another red candle towards our daily support or supply zone, demand zone. Okay. So what are we saying today? If you look at the chart today, you will see that this is the high that BTC made yesterday. That should be around 77,300, and this is the low that BTC made yesterday. That should be around 76k. Okay, so considering the day of the week, don't forget this our yellow line is the previous week low. If you can see it very well, yeah, Bitcoin have taken the previous week low and is still rejecting to the upside, meaning that is a sign that this our buy order block is active, or this our supply zone and demand zone is active. Okay, so on a general note, what is my expectation this morning? I'm expecting the fact that Bitcoin should, because if you watch now, the first Asian 4-hour candle have closed, and Bitcoin have traded below this rejection block of yesterday and is pushing to the upside. So I think Bitcoin should give us a weekly high. If you know how Bitcoin have been moving recently, you know that most of the time Bitcoin gives a weekly high on Wednesday or Thursdays. So consider the fact that today is Thursday, I think Bitcoin should give us a weekly high. So guys, don't forget, if you are watching the clip of this analysis, do well to join our YouTube channel to have a few analysis, to watch the few analysis. Okay, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we go live every morning 11 a.m. West African time. We do live analysis, take live trade, and make money. Okay, and don't forget to follow us on across all our social platforms, our TikTok, our X handle. Okay, so guys, let's dive in and see what we have on Bitcoin today. Okay, so as earlier said, this is the high of BTC yesterday. You know, I'm a day trader and also a scalper. Okay, so my interest is always on the candle of the previous day. What happened the previous day, that is always my interest. So let's check what is happening. You know, by reason of structure, we are on a downtrend. We can see for the past let's say 1 2 3 4 5, for the past 5 days Bitcoin have been printing bearish candle. Okay, and I think today will be an exceptional. That's why I say that I think Bitcoin should give us a green candle today that will possibly give us the high of today. Okay, you know, even though at that, you know that we buy to sell and we sell to buy. It's as simple as that. That's market movement for you. Just summarize market movement for you: buying to sell and selling to buy. Very simple. Okay, so let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to 4 hours. We have seen this is what we have on 4 hours, on one day already. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours and see what BTC is printing over there. Okay, so if you watch now, if you will understand the fact that yesterday and into today is about consolidation around this demand zone. You know, so what am I expecting today? Bitcoin have printed something that looks like a double bottom for me here. Okay, if you can see this very well, you can see it, bottom one, bottom two. That's why I say that I think Bitcoin should push a bit and give us something like this today. Give us a high today, maybe retest and then continue the movement. Okay, this is what I'm expecting from Bitcoin today. But even at that expectation, you should always know that all your actions should be based on confirmations. Okay, so how do we go about this now? Look at what is printing. You see that this is a consolidation. If you are not good in managing emotional risk, I bet you should stay out of the market until Bitcoin give a clear direction, because as it stands now, all throughout day before yesterday, into yesterday and today, Bitcoin is just consolidating on this demand zone. So why I pick out this little push up over going down is because this is a demand zone. Okay, so and in demand zone, whatever that happens in the demand zone, there is a higher probability of the market pushing to the upside as against the supply zone. Okay, so let's watch out these 4 hours. The intent of this analysis is not to give you signal, but if you want daily signal, do well to always join our Telegram channel. Okay, so if you go to 1 hour, you will see that there is a lot of consideration. Okay, so for me now, this candle now, or I will wait till London open, which is 9 a.m. By the time the second 4 hours of the day will close 9 a.m., I will wait and then see how the candle print, and then go to lower time frame to look for an entry for a long. Okay, so this is my expectation on BTC today. So thank you guys. Do well to drop your own bias on the comment section. Do well to like this video and share with other traders that you know and your friends. Okay, so thank you guys, and I will see you tomorrow in our next hour analysis. Bye for now.